Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the RK Royal Kludge S98, a 96% wireless mechanical keyboard that's packed with features. Right out of the box, the S98 makes a statement with its top-mount design and a layout that manages to squeeze almost all the keys of a full-size keyboard into a more compact form factor. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its smart display. This little screen can be customized to show a variety of information, from system stats to custom animations, adding a unique touch to the overall aesthetic. The addition of a knob provides convenient control over volume or other customizable functions, enhancing the user experience. The S98 offers versatile connectivity options, including Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, and USB-C. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices, from laptops and PCs to tablets and smartphones. Switching between devices is seamless, making it a great choice for users who need to multitask across different platforms. For those who love to tinker, the S98 is hot swappable, allowing you to easily change out the switches without soldering. This opens up a world of customization, letting you fine-tune the keyboard's feel and sound to your exact preferences. The keyboard also boasts software support, enabling further customization of key mappings, macros, and lighting effects. Powering all these features is a massive battery, promising long hours of use on a single charge. This is a huge plus for wireless keyboard users who don't want to be constantly tethered to a power outlet. The 98-key layout provides a comfortable typing experience, with well-spaced keys and a familiar arrangement. In terms of build quality, the RK Royal Kludge S98 feels solid and well-constructed. The keycaps are made of durable material, and the overall design exudes a premium feel. While it may not be the cheapest mechanical keyboard on the market, the S98 offers a compelling combination of features, performance, and customization options that make it a worthwhile investment for serious keyboard enthusiasts. It's a strong contender in the world of mechanical keyboards, offering something for both gamers and professionals alike.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.